All right, here we come to the elevator at Bloomingdale's at Willowbrook Mall in Wayne, New Jersey. This is the newest elevator here in the mall. It's a Schindler 3300. It's an older kind. Anyways, there is music here, so try to talk over as much as I can, and hopefully, and the elevator's like all the way up at 3 or all that. So I'm gonna have to talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk, and it's finally coming down. But like I said, this is an older Schindler 3300. I don't know what year this was installed, but it's gotta be sometimes before 2020, and the elevator is coming down pretty slowly. Hopefully I don't have to cause any disruption because, you know, there is music playing here, and even though I think it's not technically too loud, but I still just rather talk. Oh, there's 2M? There's a 2M. Okay, well, I didn't even know that. Well, this is kind of interesting. This is interesting. I've never seen this before. All right, T. Oh, there's Alexander.
Hey guys. You know what? Actually, I'll come up for a ride.
Okay.
I'll come back up with.
All right. Let's go 3.
How coincidental, huh?
Yep.
I'll take a ride with you. Should probably head back to New York after this, though. Didn't find any freight, sadly.
Okay. Oh, no freight elevators in this mall?
Don't think so, no, as far as I can see.
Okay.
Not gonna bother with the department store ones, just because there's a lot easier chance of getting busted.
Yeah, I would rather not worry about that either. But anyways, this is going to be the last elevator in this mall that we're going to do for the day.
There's Jim.
I can't believe we just coincidentally bumped into each other.
Oh, I know, I was saying. That was kind of cool.
Just FYI, I did talk and talk and talk a lot while I was in the lobby, mainly because the music was playing, and I tried to cover it up as much as I could.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, YouTube copyright is interesting. You know that?
Oh, yes.
But anyways, so I guess I'll watch the door close. But anyways, that is your older Schindler 3300. So there it goes, and that will be it.